There are so many current issues right now, and I think a lot of us are very aware of them. But the most prevalent issue to me, and the one that moves me the most, would definitely be our mental health right now. I think currently we have to do so much more as a community to uplift, especially our youth, who are really calling on us, and they are crying out to us to be so much more active in their lives. I think we deserve to really treasure our youth. They are the future of tomorrow, and so I think our youth and their mental health is the most important issue facing us right now.
That was newly crowned Carnival Queen 2023, Amone Francis, Miss St. David, responding to the question posed, what is the greatest issue facing your generation? Her response brought mental health issues into the spotlight and was further amplified by her competitor, Anika John, Miss St. Andrew, the first runner-up who won the talents category with her captivating artistic visual arts expression on mental health.
My dreams shattered, my spirits caged, as the voices of anxiety suffocate my very essence.
This issue stems from many reasons, such as loss of jobs, loss of family, loved ones. And it does not only affect those who suffer from it, but also those of us who are surrounded by these people. If I have to help mitigate this issue, what I would do is first and foremost break the stigma that is attached to mental health. We need to be more empathetic with those who suffer from mental health issues. Secondly, I would advise the government to create an anonymous hotline so that these people who suffer can have someone to speak to in their time of crisis. Thank you.
Former Social Development Minister Delma Thomas, who always champions the need for more focus on mental health, says that their voices have resonated powerfully, shedding light on the crucial issue of mental health, the effects on our young generation, along with the ever-persistent challenges of stigma and discrimination. In a statement issued, Mrs. Thomas is quoted as saying, mental health is an integral aspect of our well-being, and addressing it openly is a step towards fostering a more empathetic and understanding society. Amone and Anika, by using their platform to advocate for mental health awareness, have ignited a spark that must not be extinguished. Their efforts have highlighted the importance of continuing this conversation beyond the confines of our Carnival Queen show. As I reflect on the reactions and feedback shared on social media about the contestants and more so Miss St. Patrick, it is evident that there is a pressing need for more education, compassion, and change surrounding mental health. There is also a bigger issue of people with deep-rooted issues, masking it by attacking others through social media platforms. The event marks not only a celebration of beauty and talent, but also a call to action. Let us recognize that the beauty of our nation lies not only in the vibrancy of our celebrations, but also in our ability to come together as a community to address the challenges that affect us all. As we move forward, let us ensure that the discussion started by Amone Francis and Anika John become the driving force for change in our society. Let us break down the walls of stigma and discrimination, making way for an atmosphere of understanding, acceptance, and support for those dealing with mental health concerns. End quote. For GBN News, I'm Nisha Paul.